Today, we are still working to find out more after multiple people were found dead at home in Wakefield, New Hampshire on Christmas Day.
There is currently an ongoing joint investigation between the New Hampshire Fire Marshal's Office, Wakefield Police, and the town's fire department. Investigators say they believe the 4 individuals died from carbon monoxide poisoning. Wakefield Police Department conducted a welfare check at 2962 Province Lake Road around 4:21 p.m. on Wednesday. Neighbors Ron and Winona Vernon say when they arrived at home after visiting family in Wells, several law enforcement departments were still at the scene.
I was very surprised. Like Nona says, we didn't know the folks, but just thinking about it and something like that happening, I mean, you don't know it's coming. It's like the silent killer. And whether they had detectives, evidently they didn't work if they did have them.
The New Hampshire Fire Marshal's Office has not released the identities for the people who died. They are asking people to make sure they have working carbon monoxide alarms in their homes. Residents should immediately exit their homes in the event of an alarm activation and call 911.